Hey guys! Okay, so I just posted my collab with Utopia Hair. They sent me over their Vibrastrait Pro straightener, and oh my gosh, let me tell you about this straightener. It actually vibrates when you press down to straighten your hair. The first time I used it, I yelled for my husband. I was like, come here, you have to see this. It actually vibrates. Like, yeah. So let me share the benefits of using a straightener like this and why I love it. And I actually already donated my old straightener because I love this one so much. Okay, so the vibrating technology actually protects your hair from damage, so your hair gets less damaged as you're styling it compared to other straighteners. It also, I've noticed, makes my hair look healthier after I straighten it, so I will actually show you videos of what my hair looks like before I go ahead and straighten with this. It really does, especially the ends, look shinier than before I use this because I already do have pretty straight hair, but I actually use this for the shine and for just a better, cleaner look for my hair. As you'll see in the videos too, this works really quick. Like, the vibrating just makes it a long, smooth, quick glide. It straightens your hair so quickly. And yeah. Yeah, so go check out Utopia Hair on their Instagram. I 10 out of 10 recommend their Vibrastrait straightener. It is on Amazon and it has raving reviews. I already checked out the reviews on this. Totally agree with all of those positive reviews. I cannot get enough of it. So yeah, go check them out.